Hello, I'm Dr. Stephen Lamm, a board-certified doctor with over 43 years' experience. You may recognize me from hundreds of television appearances like The View, articles published in print like the New York Times and the Wall Street Journal, or you may know me as the best-selling author of books such as The Hardness Factor, No Guts, No Glory, Younger at Last, and Thinner at Last. I'm also a faculty member at the NYU Medical Center, as well as a clinician and researcher. I'm here to talk to you about something that often goes overlooked when it comes to your health as a man, and that's your sexual health. Millions of men across the country suffer from a decline in sexual health as they age and don't really know where to turn for help. As an avid researcher in preventative remedies, I'm always looking for new solutions to help men regain their libido, increase their desire, and improve their sexual performance and overall sexual health. Prescription medication is reserved for men with advanced erectile difficulties. However, the formulation of the all-natural VigRX Plus has been clinically proven to help men improve their sexual health as they age. As a respected member of the medical community, I'm very cautious about what I recommend to people. I have to research everything about it before I feel comfortable making it available to my patients. The published clinical studies on VigRX Plus are very impressive. Ingredients such as epimedium leaf extract, ginkgo biloba, and red ginseng all have years of research behind them, showing their ability to improve men's sexual health. I would recommend to any man who wants to improve their sexual health and performance to try VigRX Plus and take advantage of this powerful formulation that has been proven to produce results.